also not so relevant today, but helping us out many of our customers. Certainly not least, Sonoco Fuels, brought to you by Anglo American Oil Company, and our media partners, don't forget them, Bandai, and Japanese Performance Magazine, and of course, Max Power. So thank you very much to all of those people involved with our series. Without them, we can't bring you what we are doing right now.
As you can see, it's getting a much better line through that tight corner there into this central complex. Interesting.